students. So let's move to the new exercise, that is 9.1. Okay, chapter number 9.1. So we are studying the question number 5. Okay, so here the question number 5 says express the following percent as a function in the simplest form. Okay, so we have to convert this in the form of fraction. Sorry, this is not fraction. This is fraction, not the function. This is fraction. We have to convert this percentage into fraction, and if possible, we have to convert in the form of simplest form. Okay, so here is solutions. Here is number 1. Solutions here, 31 by percents. If I want to convert it to fraction, that means I have to convert this percentage to 100. This percentage will be written in the form of divisible by 100. So 31 and 100 cannot be further divided. Why? Because 31 is an odd number and 100 is an even number. So we cannot be further divided. So this will be your answers. Okay. Similarly, if I go next, okay, I can write this 49 by 100. Why? Percentage, this percentage of reading in the form of dividing by the 100. Again, 49 and 100 cannot be further divided, so this will be your 100. So here you see 37 by 1 by 2, we can write 37 into 1 by 2 into 1 into 2 divided by 2 percent. So if I convert this, your answer will become 75 persons. Okay, 75 persons. Okay, why? 37 into 2 is 74. 74 plus 1 is 75. So if I write this 75 again, 75 by 2, I'm sorry, 75 by 2, so 75 by 2, 75 by 2 divided by 100. So if I further write this one, this will become 75 by 2 into 100. So 25 3s are 75, 25 4s are 100. So if I calculate this, 3 by 4 2s are 8. So this is your answers for the fraction. Okay. Similarly, if I write this one, 10 into 3 plus 1, 10 into 3 plus 1 divided by 3 percents. Okay. So if I write this one, 10 to the 30 plus 1, it will become 31 divided by 3 percent. Okay, so if I write this one further again, this will become 31 by 3 divided by this percent will be divided by 100. So if I write this one, 31 by 3 will goes on and multiply with 100. So this is your answers. Okay, similarly if I write this one, 115 by percents, it will be converted into 100. So divided by 5, 5 2s are 10. Okay, 5 3s are 15. 5 2s are 10, 0. So your answer is how much? 23 by 20 is your answer. Yes, so these are some answers. You can write it down. Okay. You see, first of all, we'll learn how to do the fraction from the fraction lesson. This is a fractions. Okay. So I have to write in the form of ratio. Then I can write ratio is to y. What x is to y. X is to this fraction. The x is written in the first. And then is to ratio sign. Okay, this is the ratio sign and y. Okay, this is what we can write. So these equations, number 2. What is the number 2? Question number 6 said express the following expression as the ratio in the simplest form. So you have to write this in the form of ratio. This percentage we have to write in the form of ratio. So I have to write this one. So I can write this 22 by 100. Divided by 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 50s are 100. So what is the answers here? 11 is to 50. So 11 and 50 cannot be further divided, so your answer will become 11 is to 50. So this is your answers. Next here is 5.5 divided by 100. So you can further divide it by 5. 5 1s are 5 point, 5 1s are 5 divided by 5 2s are 10. So again, if I write this element 1.1 divided by 20, if I want to remove this point, after point we have only one number, so I have to write 11 and I'm removing this point. Then I have to add one more 0 here in the downside. So your answer will become 11 is to 200. 11 is to 200. Next we have 108 by 100. Again I am writing by 100. 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are 8. 2 5s are 10, 0. So again, 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 14, 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10. So your answer is 27 by 25. So you cannot further divide 27 by 25. So your answer will become 27 is to 25. 27 is to 25 will be your answer. So this is all about the question number 6. Okay. The remaining question you do it by yourself. Now our next question is question number 7. Express the following question as decimal. Okay, you have to write this one in the form of decimal. So here you see 7 by percent, I can write in the form of 0, hundreds. Okay, so I have to write this in the form of decimal. Decimal means we have to write in the form of point. Okay, we have to write in the form of point. So we have a 2 0, that means 7 up to 2 numbers we have to put. So 7, 1 numbers we have. Again, in order to make it 2 numbers, I have to put 1 more 0. Then I have to put point, then 0. After 2 numbers, 1 and 2 numbers. Okay, from the back side, 1, 2. After 2 numbers, I am putting the decimal. So this is your answer. Similarly, 56 by 100 percentage. So after 2 numbers, I have to put the decimal. So 56 by 100. So I can write 5 and 6, 56. As the same thing I wrote. Now count the number from the back side. 1, 2. After 2 numbers, because 2 0 I have 2 numbers. After 2 numbers, I have to put a decimal. 1, 2. So I have to put here decimal. So this is my answers. Next, 24 by 100. So 24.3 by 100. So after 2 numbers, I have to put a decimal. So 2, 4, 3. So already point is there. I don't have to read the number from the back, the point after that. Okay, I have to read from the point in front of the number which is in front of the point. So point here is after this we have to read 2 number 1, 2. Then I have to put a point here. So this is your answer. So this is your answers. Okay. So this is all about the question number 7. So in this previous topic, what has been in the first 2-3 questions, we are given the percentage and then we are asked to find in the form of fractions. Yes, we are asked to find in the form of fraction. Now the fraction is given, you have to find in the form of percents. Okay, in the previous questions, the percentage was given, you have to convert in the form of fraction. So what did we did? We did is what? The numbers is there and the percentage was been removed and then multiplied by 100. But here, the fraction is given and you have to convert in the form of percent. Then what shall we do here is what? You have to, in order to convert from a fraction to the percent, you have to multiply by 100. Here it is. You have to multiply 7 by 20. It's not 7, this is 17 by 20, okay? This is 17 by 20, okay? Into 100, you have to multiply by 100, and you have to put the sign of percent outside, okay? Then here you see 0 and 0 cancel, 7, 5, 2 5s is 10, so remaining is 17 into 5, multiply these 2 numbers, so if you multiply these 2 numbers, your answer will become 85%. Your answer will become 85%. Similarly here, the next question is what? 7 by 200. 7 by 200 into 100 again, multiplied by 100. Percent here, 0 and 0 cancel, 0 and 0 cancel. Divided 7 by 2. So if I divide 7 by 2, then 2 3s are 6.5%. 2 3s are 6, 1 in 10, 2 5s are 10. So similarly here also, same thing here, multiply this 8 into 1 plus 7 divided by 8, then multiply by 100, put the percentage sign outside the bracket. Now when is it? 8 ones are 8 plus this is your 15 by 8 into 100. Now multiply by, divide 108 by 2, 2 4s are 10, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 2s are 4, 2 25s are 100. So your answer will become 15 into 25 divided by 2. So multiply 15 into 25, 15 into 25. So if I multiply 5 5s are 25, 2 union, 5 1s are 5, 6 7, 5 2s are 10, 1 and 2 1s are 2 3. So your answer is what? 5 7 3. Okay, so 375 divided by 2%. So if I convert this, 3 ones are 3, 3 eights are 16, 3 sevens are 14, 3 fives are 10. So this is your answer. So what is the answer? 187 point percent. 187 point percent will be your answers. Okay. So here is you see the same question series. Express the following decimal as a percent. Okay. Remember always the one thing is that whenever you are going to convert from the percentage to the fraction, percentage to the decimal, or percentage to the ratio, then you always have to divide it by 100. Okay, but if the fraction is given and then you have to multiply, you have to convert into from a fraction, then you have to multiply by 100. If the decimal is given and if you are asked to find out, you are asked to convert into from a percentage, then you have to multiply by 100. Here the same thing, decimal point is given, but we have to convert in the form of percentage. So what shall we do is that 0.21 will be multiplied by 100 and then it will be percentage sign will be given. So if I multiply this one, then your answer will become 21%. 21 into 100, 0.21 into 100 will become 21%. Okay. So similarly here again, next 0.9, okay, 0.9 multiplied by 100. So if I multiply this 100, again I have to put a percentage sign here. So if you multiply these two, then your answer will become 90%. Okay, not 90%, I'm sorry, this will be 9%. Okay, this will be 9%. Okay, so if you multiply 0.09 into 100, your answer will become 9. So percentage will come here. Next here, if I multiply this 1.32 into 100, so percentage sign I will be given here. So if I multiply these two answers, then your answer will become 132%. 132%. So this is your answers for question number 9. Okay. So now the question is given in the form of ratio, then you have to convert in the form of percents. As I already told you, we have to multiply by 100 whenever the ratio is given, or whenever the fraction is given, whenever the decimal is given. So here you see 1.1 is to 2. 1 is to 2. So 1 is to 2, I can write 1 is to 2 will be equal to 1 by 2. Okay. So here 1 by 2 will be multiplied again by the 100. So you have to put by the percentage. So if I put this percentage, your answer will become 50. 2 50s are 100. Okay, so this is your 50%. 1 is to 2 is the 50%. Similarly again, 9 is to 2, I'm writing directly, 9 is to 2 into 100. I'm sorry, so 9 is to 2 will be given as 9 by 25. So from ratio we have converted into fraction. Now fraction and this fraction will be multiplied by 100. So if I multiply 100, 25 bracket close, and then fraction 25 fours are 100, 9 fours are 36. So this is your fraction. Next we have a next question, that is 27 is to 25 will be written as 27 by 25 divided again 27 by 25, 27 by 25 into 100. So if I multiply this, 25 fours are 100. So 27 into 4, percent bracket outside, percent bracket outside. So if you multiply these two answers, 9, 7 fours are 28, 2 in 9, 4 twos are 8, 19. So what is the answer? 108%. 108% is your answer. So first one is 26. The third Roman number third is 36, and Roman number 5 is 108, and the remaining you have to do it by yourself. Okay, this is the end of your 9.1.